going on, guys? The car mechanically is back together. Take it for a spin and go take some good photos. So what I've done in the car since we last saw it, so new exhaust, brand new tyres, front brakes have been done, full service, just finished the radiator flush, new radiator hoses, new heater hoses. I've wiped out the entire underside of the chassis. It's so nice to drive this thing. Drives great with the new tyres. They're Yokohama G003s, 33-inch or 305s. You know what? Let's go to the car wash. Let's go to the car wash. Drive around in my own car. Let's see what this looks like. Thanks for watching along. This will probably be the last video for the year. Next year I reckon I'm going to send this thing to the panel beater and then get it back and then try and get it roadworthy. Hopefully we're on the road by Easter and then we can start going away. So if you've watched, thanks for watching and yeah, see you in the next one. I gotta get this. Not as cool when I do it.